Imagine plunging into the deep ocean, your submersible's light slicing through the darkness, slowly revealing massive, perfectly cut stone structures on the seafloor, ruins where no city should exist, and no human hand should have ever reached. The silence is broken only by the hum of your vessel, as you drift past columns and archways that seem to defy explanation, hinting at a civilization lost to time and tide. Or picture yourself in a forgotten library, dust motes swirling in the air, holding a book written in an unrecognizable language, its pages filled with intricate drawings of alien plants and unknown constellations. The ink is faded, but the mystery is alive, each symbol a puzzle, each illustration a window into a world that once was, or perhaps, a world that never existed at all. These aren't scenes from a science fiction movie, they're real discoveries, unearthed by explorers and researchers that have left even the most seasoned experts baffled and questioning what we truly know. Our world is full of enigmas, puzzles and riddles that challenge everything we think we know about history, human potential, and the boundaries of our imagination. These artifacts and places are not just relics of the past, they're invitations to adventure, urging us to question our assumptions and inspiring us to seek out the stories that have yet to be told. Sometimes, a single discovery, like an ancient, intricate machine recovered from a shipwreck, shatters our timelines and forces us to rethink the entire story of human progress. It's a reminder that history is not always a straight line, but a tapestry woven with forgotten threads. It's like stumbling upon a smartphone in a medieval castle, an object so out of place it simply shouldn't exist, and yet, there it is, rewriting the rules of what we thought was possible. These out-of-place artifacts, often dismissed or overlooked, hint at lost chapters of our story, suggesting that our ancestors were far more advanced, inventive, and resourceful than we ever realized. The allure of these mysteries is universal. They spark our imagination, ignite our curiosity, and drive us to explore the unknown, no matter our age or background. What if ancient civilizations possessed technologies and knowledge that we're only now beginning to rediscover, their secrets hidden in plain sight or buried deep beneath the earth and sea? What if entire chapters of human history are lost beneath the waves, locked in unreadable codes, or waiting to be uncovered in the most unexpected places? These questions push us to dig deeper, search further, and never stop asking. They remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey, filled with surprises and revelations. The world is a treasure map, and these enduring mysteries are the X that marks the spot, beckoning us to embark on our own quest for answers, and to embrace the thrill of the unknown. Why care about a rusty gear or a strange, unreadable book? Because these mysteries challenge our perception of the past, and ourselves. History isn't a closed book, it's a living story, rewritten with every new discovery. When we find something that doesn't fit, it humbles us and reminds us how much we have yet to learn. These enigmas are part of our collective heritage, and ignoring them is like tearing pages from our own story. Studying them honors the ingenuity of those who came before, and might even reveal lost knowledge relevant today. They fuel scientific progress, pushing us to develop new tools and theories. Ultimately, these puzzles connect us to wonder, reminding us that magic and mystery still exist in our world. They keep the flame of exploration alive. In the year 1900, a group of Greek sponge divers, braving the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea, stumbled upon a remarkable find, a Roman-era shipwreck lying near the island of Antikythera. The wreck was filled with ancient treasures, statues, and pottery, but among the riches was something far more mysterious, a strange, encrusted lump of corroded bronze and wood, almost unrecognizable after centuries underwater. For decades, this odd object was dismissed as little more than debris, a curiosity that gathered dust in museum storage, overlooked by experts who couldn't imagine its true purpose. But everything changed in the mid-20th century, when scientists decided to peer inside using X-rays. To their astonishment, they discovered a complex system of interlocking gears and intricate mechanisms hidden within. This was the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient device that functioned as an astronomical calculator, capable of predicting planetary positions, tracking lunar phases, and even forecasting eclipses with surprising accuracy. It could also chart the cycles of the Olympic Games, linking the heavens to the rhythms of ancient Greek society. Incredibly, it's now recognized as the world's first analog computer, built more than 2,000 years ago, long before the age of modern machines. The real mystery remains: how did the ancient Greeks, with their limited tools and technology, manage to create such a sophisticated device, centuries ahead of anything else known to history? After its creation, nothing like it would appear again for 1,000 years, leaving a vast gap in technological history, and raising questions about what knowledge may have been lost. It's as if someone had discovered a jet engine hidden inside a Roman chariot, an anachronism that defies explanation. The Antikythera mechanism forces us to reconsider the true capabilities of ancient civilizations and to wonder just how much knowledge has slipped through the cracks of history. What other incredible technologies might have been lost, buried beneath centuries of dust, waiting to be rediscovered? This single object has the power to overhaul our entire timeline of innovation, challenging everything we thought we knew about the ancient world. It stands as a testament to forgotten genius, a silent witness to the brilliance of minds long past. And it leaves us with a haunting question: what else have we missed, hidden in the shadows of history? The past is far more complex, mysterious, and ingenious than we ever imagined, full of secrets still waiting to be uncovered. The Antikythera mechanism is living proof that the story of human innovation is far from complete. In 1902, archaeologist Valerio Stais was sorting through artifacts from the Antikythera shipwreck. Amidst the statues and treasures, he noticed a corroded lump most dismissed as junk. But Stais saw something different, a gear embedded in the mass. He realized it was a machine, not debris. His colleagues were skeptical. Such technology was thought impossible for ancient Greece. Stais persisted, publishing a paper arguing it was an astronomical clock. For 50 years his theory was ignored, but he had planted the seed for future discovery. Stais's insight reminds us that the greatest finds are often overlooked, waiting for someone to see their true value. Sometimes it takes one person's vision to change history. Valerio Stais was that person. Enter the world of cryptography and lost languages with the Voynich manuscript, a 15th century book written in an unknown script, filled with bizarre illustrations. No one has ever deciphered its language or identified its plants and diagrams. The manuscript's sections include alien-looking botany, astronomical charts, and mysterious bathing figures. Statistical analysis shows the text has structure, but it matches no known language. Some believe it's an elaborate hoax, others think it's a lost language, or a coded text, hiding ancient secrets. Every theory eventually hits a dead end. The Voynich manuscript remains a perfect enigma, a locked room mystery in book form. Its purpose and meaning are still unknown. For over a century, it has defied the world's best code breakers. The book guards its secrets, challenging us to unlock them. The modern story of the manuscript begins with Wilfrid Voynich, a rare book dealer who discovered it in Italy in 1912. Instantly captivated, Voynich believed he'd found a lost work by Roger Bacon, filled with hidden knowledge. He devoted his life to deciphering the manuscript, sending copies to experts worldwide. The book became his obsession, a puzzle he could never solve. Voynich traced its history, searching for clues, but the meaning always eluded him. His wife said the manuscript cast a spell on him. Voynich died without unlocking its secrets, but his passion sparked a global quest that continues today. His story shows how a single mystery can inspire generations. The manuscript remains unsolved, but Voynich's relentless curiosity lives on. Sometimes, the search itself is the real legacy. Our final mystery lies hidden beneath the waves, in the vast, unexplored depths of the world's oceans, where the boundaries between nature's artistry and human creation blur in fascinating ways. Off the coast of Yonaguni-jima, Japan, a massive underwater formation rises from the sea floor, featuring terraces and steps that appear strikingly man-made, almost like the remnants of a forgotten civilization. Some believe it's the remains of a lost city, swallowed by the ocean thousands of years ago, while others argue it's simply a natural rock formation, sculpted over millennia by powerful tectonic forces and relentless ocean currents. Marine geologist Masaki Kimura points to features that seem deliberately carved: sharp angles, flat surfaces, and what look like staircases, suggesting the possibility of human modification over 10,000 years ago, long before recorded history. Across the world, off Cuba's coast, sonar images have revealed mysterious geometric structures, pyramids, roads, and what appear to be buildings, lying 2,000 feet beneath the surface. If these structures are artificial, they could be at least 50,000 years old, predating all known civilizations and rewriting our understanding of ancient history. Yet exploration is severely limited by the extreme depths and challenging logistics, making direct investigation incredibly difficult. For now, high-resolution sonar images remain our primary evidence, fueling speculation and debate among experts. Are these truly the ruins of forgotten civilizations, or are they simply geological oddities shaped by nature's hand? The ocean, vast and enigmatic, keeps its secrets well, hiding answers in its shadowy depths. These discoveries challenge everything we think we know about history and human achievement. The debate rages on, and the mysteries of the deep continue to endure, inviting us to keep searching for answers. The Antikythera mechanism, the Voynich manuscript and underwater megaliths are more than isolated puzzles. They're pieces of a larger mystery, our unwritten history. Each one challenges the story we tell about our past, hinting at lost knowledge and forgotten civilizations. These discoveries humble us, reminding us how much we have yet to learn. They inspire curiosity, innovation, and a relentless drive to explore. The quest for answers is what propels humanity forward. Sometimes, the value lies not in the solution but in the questions themselves. These mysteries are invitations to wonder and dream. They remind us that magic still exists in our world. As long as mysteries remain, the adventure continues. The search for answers is the greatest journey of all.